Hello, everyone. A few weeks ago, the spokesperson of Jacob Zuma Foundation, Mzwanele Manyi, announced that he's joining the Economic Freedom Fighters. And it didn't take much time after joining the party. He was then deployed in the Parliament of Republic of South Africa as the Economic Freedom Fighters Member of Parliament. Without any reasonable doubt, the CIC Julius Malema really likes Manyi. Many people on the social media have been saying that Mzwanele Manyi is the replacement of the former EFF Member of Parliament and National Spokesperson Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Advocate Ike Khumalo also believes that Manyi replaced Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. He took it to his timeline and posted a video of Malema and captioned, "When I said apartheid was better than ANC democracy, the EFF minions said I'm an Uncle Tom. Hear them change tune now that their Kim Jong-un has spoken." Even the replacement at Mzwanele Manyi to a tweeting at Mbuyiseni Ndlozi will start repeating the same. Akusebuhlungu ukuba a fighter. People reacted on his statement and one said, "Being a fighter is a disgrace. You must be ready to be a yes boy, whatever Julius says." Another one said, "You are not relevant. Stop trying to mix yourself. Go post naked women." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.